Straighten the front leg, half Hanuman, half split. Lunge forward. And straighten, flex the toe. Lunge forward, straighten, flex the toe. Lunge forward, straighten, flex the toe. Lunge forward. And this time, bring your foot to the outside edge. Find some circular motions at the hips. Other direction. All right, other side, switch leg, left leg back, hold that low lunge, you're breathing. Straighten the front leg, half Hanuman. Work into your hamstring. Lunge forward. And straighten back. Lunge forward. And straighten back. Lunge forward. Straighten back. And all right, lunge forward again. Straighten back one more time. The next time you come forward, go ahead and bring that foot outside the edge of both blocks. Find some circles at the hips. Switch the directions.